How to hide Facebook post from someone or some friends. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Facebook app. Log into your account. Now tap three-line menu icon at top right. Tap your profile feed and you will land on this section. Scroll down and suppose if this is the post where you wanna hide this post from someone or some friends, select three dots. Choose Edit Privacy. Select Friends Accept. And from here you can easily check mark the friends from whom you wanna hide this post. Tap Done at top right. And now except this users on Facebook, everyone can easily see your post. Now tap on Save button. Tap Save and that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.